Carbon. There's carbon dioxide, of course, which is 4% of the breath that you breathe out. Carbon. 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 It makes up coal and barbecue bricks, and there's carbon in wood and plastic. And you. Carbon. It's an important chemical. All organic living things have carbon in them. Carbon dioxide is causing global warming, and if you get to like 5% carbon dioxide in your house, you die. But it never happens because carbon dioxide is just 0.03%. It's increasing because people keep wasting electricity, which means that power stations are making more carbon dioxide when they burn coal. But we're trying to solve this with science. But the carbon I want to do today, the oxide, bang, wind, the carbon oxide is carbon monoxide. If you've got a boiler in your house to make hot water, to make the radiators warm so you can be warm in the winter time, you'll have one of these, a carbon monoxide detector. Just in case the boiler goes wrong, there's not enough oxygen going to the carbon chemicals being burnt, the gas that's being burnt, methane and some other gases. If there's not enough oxygen going there, instead of safe carbon dioxide, you get the oxide that's dangerous, carbon monoxide. It has no smell. It sends the whole family to sleep, and nobody wakes up. Mostly, carbon monoxide poisoning happens in South Korea, when they burn gases in oxygen, and the gases go underneath the floor, seep through the floor, lovely warm floors in South Korea in the winter time. But if someone puts their bag against the air inlet, not enough oxygen gets to the burning process, and you get the dangerous gas, carbon monoxide. Not one you want to know intimately with. Not one you want to know at all.